So hello guys, I am back with another video. Today we are going to make two AIs, that is Gemini API. We are going to use Gemini API. So they will talk to each other. I don't know anything about. I obviously know how to use the API, but I don't know how will I make this. How will I make the two AIs talk with each other? I'm going to do everything in front of you guys. So there will be many problems we will face, and we will get everything live now. Let's get started. So I have opened VS Code because it's my favorite IDE. We are obviously going to follow this thing where it is. Yeah, these are my API keys. They are all free of costs, but I will still change them. So yeah, I'm not using environment variables because I'm too lazy to do that. So yeah, first of all, we will have to install this thing, module, Google Generative AI. Then we are going to, this is for that thing, environment variables. As I said, I will not use that. uh, so let's make the first AI first, because we will have to start with something, right? So let's do AI 1. Oh shit, sorry, my bad guys, my bad. I will have to do this AI.py, and now it's working. I mean, it's a Python file now, whatever. So now we will copy first the first file here. Ignore that, okay? That's the boys chat, if you know what I mean. And nothing is there anyways. So yeah, that's just the EAFC goal. Whatever. Why am I talking about that? I have no idea. But as I am saying, here is the first AI. Now we will copy the API key. So let's copy this one. Sudes is just something that I named, not the project number, the API key. So yeah, Sudes is, it's his name that I gave it. So now OS will not be required, because that's for setting up the environment variables, and we are not doing that. How many times will I tell you? Now we are going to do this. Yeah, that should work. We could have done this in the same file, but I think, as per I know, there can only be one configuration. If I am wrong, please correct me in the comments. So now let's say hello world. Now if we run this, technically this should give us the output that Gemini will give. Okay, the moment of truth. I have done this many times, but I'm still going to tell. By the way, in another thing here, if you go here, right, so you can upload audio via this, and images via this, like you could do in a real thing, right? Let me show you. So this is the Gemini. You can as you can see, you can upload the images here and use your microphone here, whatever. We are not going to show that now, but you can do that, right? So yeah, if you want a video on that, please tell me. Whatever. Now why is this taking so much time? I have no idea. But okay, let's give him some time. Let's prepare our second file till then. Okay, that gave it hello world. It just repeated it. That's like at least it's working, right? So yeah, it did. Don't worry, it just did not just print hello world. It just said it back. Yeah, it works basically. So now let's make AI2.py and make the same code, because the now we will do the same thing here. Now here let's say something different. How are you? Because why not, right? So okay, then we will get our another key. Let's take this one. Okay, by the way, I'm using my second account because my first account, my main account is not 18 plus, sorry Google. But this service is 18 plus. I don't know why. Literally don't know why, but let's just run this. And now we will have to decide how are we going to make them these two files talk to each other. uh, so yeah, somehow we will have to hmm, interesting, right? So now let's make this main.py. So we will have to first try how to make this into one thing, one file. We can try that. If that works, it will be beautiful. uh, 1 second. Let me drink my water. Stay hydrated, guys. Okay, now you can see that it has given that thing. So now at least these two are working. Now the thing that I can do now is def AI1. This should work. Pass for now. Def AI2. Pass for now. Okay, now what is my plan, you ask? There will be this thing called prompt here too and here too, and we will pass on to this by this output. If we are taking one's output, okay, you know what, I will explain you this in paint because that's the best place to explain things. So you see one AI, this is AI2, this is AI1. Okay, now if by the prompt argument we are giving it the prompt, right? Then it returns something. Okay, and we are giving that as the prompt to 2, and the thing that it returns we are giving it to 1 as another prompt, and this cycle continues and we become successful. Okay, okay, now let's do actually make it work, because it is not going to be so easy, I know that. First we will import the module, then we will do this thing, copy this thing. I hope this really works, because if this does not, I will have to think of another thing which I am too lazy to do. So I will probably not upload that video if I don't find anything. Okay, now we have done this, and now we are going to do this prompt, because this will be our prompt. Now instead of printing it, what we are going to do it is return it. Return. Done. And here also return. So that's done. Now let's do, okay, now what we can do is for I in range, let's extend the conversation to 10. Okay, okay, that's perfect. I think it starts with 0, right? Oh yeah, 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 yeah! Spider! Spider! Shit! Shit! That killed it, right? Yes. Okay, guys. So that was technical difficulty. Now, 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 now we can come. Now we can continue. Okay. Okay, as I was saying, I forget my Python. Okay, so I think it will start with 0, right? Yes, it starts with 0, right? It starts with 0, right? Why am I forgetting Python, man? What's up with me? Whatever. We will just take it 0 for now. If I equals to 0. Okay, sorry. If I equals to 0, that is for the first time we are going to pass our prompt, our own prompt, which will be, I will tell you shortly. Now we are going to make a folder, I mean variable called temp, that will store our temporary output that the AI gives. So Then we are going to pass this. Okay, wait. Else we will have to first do a else. I think I'm overcomplicating it, but whatever. I don't really care. Temp. I think we should just pass AI1. Yes, we will just pass the temp thing. And now AI2 temp equals. Oh no, wait. We will have to set this to temp2. Temp equals to AI2. What the hell? Okay. So temp equals to. Why are there so many insects with my listener? By the way, it's getting winter in India, so yeah. By the way, I am planning to go to Chandni again to shop stuff. So I think I will make a vlog next. It will be in December, any December Saturday, either the first Saturday or the second Saturday. Whatever. Let's get back to this topic. Temp equals to AI2 temp. Now, I think this should work. Let's give it a test run. You know what? Let's extend it only to 5 for now. Convo lines. Convo lines equals to 5, and it will be here convo lines. Okay, that's perfect. If by the way, if you want this code, I think I will link. Yeah, I will link it in the description. Or you can just make it. It's only 25 lines. Come on, guys. You are not that lazy. But I am a lazy person myself, so I will give it. You will be talking to another AI. Say in the output, give your first conversation starter. I am a very hi-fi that thing prompt engineer, as you guys can see. So this should work now. Temp equals to AI1, then this will be passed to that AI2, and then there will be not no I equals to 0, then it will be yeah, this should work. I am excited. Let's run this, guys. I'm making this for the first time, as you know. I should have marked, that this is being told by AI1. This is, but we will probably understand that, because obviously one by one the letters will come, and there one by one the sentences will come, and obviously there will be time gaps between them. So yeah. So guys, it will take some time. So meanwhile, tell me guys, how is your life going? Are you doing fine? Huh? 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 By the way, this I learned from Peter Griffin. I have started to watch Family Guy. I completed season 2's episode 20. No episode. Yes, episode till episode 20. Yeah, season 2 episode 20. So yeah, whatever. How much time will it? At least they didn't give me an error, or else I would cry out like a baby. How much time this is going to take, man? I will start watching Family Guy if this takes too long. I mean, I could skip it, but yeah, let's pause it. I will not let you guys watch this boring stuff. Bye. I went to the washroom once, but it's still not happening. Wait, let me close the door for. Think there is something wrong. But what could it be? It's not showing any errors too. Hmm. I don't know, man. I think we should just run it here. Two AI is talking. By the way, we have also bought a Raspberry Pi Zero, and I'll set up it quite easily, so I will upload a tutorial on that too. Whatever. So Python main.py. Let's see if this works here or not. I will be back if there is any. Wait 1 second. Okay, wait 1 second. Okay. Yeah, I will. I am pausing this. Okay. When it comes, I will come back. Man, I just realized that I think I want to cry out loud. You see, guys, my dumb. I am not saying that word, but my dumb brain didn't do this. I just realized because I think that the AI is doing its work, but why isn't this working? Then I realized, okay, I will not get angry on my brain and I will try to run it again. Why am I so dumb, guys? I think you guys were screaming at me while I was enjoying my pain. Whatever, this should work now. Yeah, it will take some time, but obviously not infinite time. But that means it was working actually in the background. Yeah, we were just not seeing it. So that's very good. Now let's wait for this output. Yeah, I will pause the video, I think. Yeah, bye. Look at what just happened, guys. Let's discuss the implications of emergent properties in large language models. What a nerd our AI is, but the thing is, it's working. No, I will get copyright. I will get copyright. So I will come back when the whole conversation thing is done. I will actually go to study now because, uh, well, I don't want to fail class 9, whatever. So after this whole thing process, the whole conversation goes on, I will actually not see it. I will. What the freak? Yeah, I will see it with you guys. Bye. Okay, guys, I am back. Wait, I forgot to close the door again. So 1 second. Okay, so I have closed the door. Yeah, OBS is working. Now let's see. Yeah. Okay. 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 And you will expect me to read this. Well, you are wrong. But we know this that it's working perfectly. But we can do one thing. Act like he is your friend. Excuse me, guys. So you can also make AI to have a starter prompt. The thing is, no, like when you are having a conversation, right? You like remember what he said before. Like the Gemini can also do that, right? But here in this API, we are making this start all over. So I think there is this thing called long context. What is this? This is what we want. See this? You see this part? This is what we want. Okay. Is there any code given? No. I think this requires that thing. Bro, getting started. Yeah, yeah, we need a 1.5 Pro. Whatever, if you guys can do this, it would be very nice to see. But yeah, I'm broke, as you guys know. So, whatever, this will be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this 20-minute video. This is my longest video. Whatever, I will upload this in one part only because I will not edit my videos. That's what I like. In one word, I am just lazy. So whatever I will make this Raspberry Pi Zero W thing, Raspberry Pi Zero W setup video, and then I will also make that Chandni vlog because West Bengal needs, seriously needs to, West Bengal, in West Bengal, many people like don't know like where to get. They know how to do this, but they don't know where to get. Because when I was starting, I did not even know where to get Arduinos, that stuff. So these two are what I will make. I am also entering in an instructable contest, so that will be exciting. I recently went to that CBSE regional science exhibition. Well, we didn't win it, but whatever. That was my second exhibition, so it was really sad, my second and last, because I am getting promoted to class 10, and there we will obviously not get the chance. I was representing my school. Whatever, enough yapping. Bye bye. I will see you guys in the next video.